Hi guys, welcome to this new video. This will be an unboxing one. I've ordered this Mavic Air 2. I'm really curious what's inside the box, so let's jump into it. Alright, so I was waiting for this for over like more than 3 weeks or 4 weeks, and finally I received it yesterday night, but I wanted to wait to create this nice unboxing video and share the content of the box with you guys. Alright, I think it's still glued over there. I hope you can see it. It's my first time using the head camera for this kind of video. Alright, I think now it's free to go. There we are, right in the bag. Pretty compact. I mean, the small package contains everything. The fly mode combo. It's pretty amazing. They packed it really smart, I should say. Alright, probably in this small black box we have, okay, the extra props. I think even more props. Alright. Some documents to read if you're bored. I'm sure it's useful otherwise. Alright, and that's it. Let's check what is in this bag. And there we go. In this upper compartment I can feel some small stuff. Guess this is the battery to USB adapter. Yes, here we have two USB ports. USB-C charging cable. These are the ND filters. This is something new, which is included already in the fly mode combo, so I highly appreciate this. Cables for the controller, extra sticks for the controller, if you might gonna lose it, but hope not. And here we have the drone itself. Beautiful piece with all the protective foams on it. This is a new feature. I will be interested in this light. You can see we have obstacle avoidance on the front, on the back, on the bottom. Let's take it aside. Here we have our charger with original DJI band. Pretty stylish. This is one battery. Pretty amazing that with this drone they claim they have the 34 minutes flight time. So we have two batteries here, one there, and that's all. We have 3 batteries. That's all in this box. Actually, my plan is to make a range test after this unboxing one. Here we have our controller. It's a new design compared to the Mavic Air. And some people will like it, some not. It has this phone holder. You will just have to insert it here, like the old selfie sticks. I'm a little bit curious how this is gonna push my button on my phone. The sticks are inserted here, and here you can see the USB-C slot. This is the battery charging hub. You can charge 3 batteries, but it will charge one after the other, so not all 3 at the same time. And I think that's it. So this is our fly mode combo. I'm gonna charge the batteries, register the drone, and we'll go flying. So I'm gonna turn it on. Controller. We will just catch the sunset. Alright, all is perfect. Check complete. Really nice. First flight ever. Very stable. Very quiet compared to the Mavic Air 1. Alright. I'm gonna just fly somewhere here, following this road a little bit inside, so in case any failure happens we can find the drone. Alright, let's go. I'll fly a little bit higher. Alright, let's follow this road nicely. Cool. 700. Let's increase our height a little bit. So to 50 meters. $1,000 without any issues. Slowly reaching 2,500 meters. Amazing.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Alright, so it stops us nicely at the maximum altitude. Officially in Europe it's nearly everywhere 120 meters. So yeah, it's really far now. Right, I'm gonna turn back because I'm not sure what is there, to be honest. In that area, it looks like a city or something. So I'm gonna just turn 180 degrees and go back to the sun. Only like 300 meters away and I can't hear it. I can already see the car but I really can't hear the drone. Still nothing. Alright, and there it comes. Very quiet. Imagine if it's above 100 meters. Let's try if I can hear. If I go upper than 100, we still have a lot of battery, so here I can't hear the drone. Nothing. When you hover or when you descend, you can hear the drone. If you climb, it's completely silent. One more thing I would like to check is the LED light, which is something new. There it goes. We have this LED light. I'm not sure how powerful it is. I should probably try it during the night. Let's see if it gets any light here. Yeah, now you can see it's quite powerful actually. Alright, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed.